Well, hello everyone, and happy Tablescape Tuesday. In today's episode, we are sharing with you my Dollar Tree inspired tablescape. Most items have been purchased from the Dollar Tree except for two items, and one is the garland and also the silver and clear acrylic chargers. The chargers were purchased from Mart, and the garland was purchased from Amazon. So guys, today's goal was to purchase everything from the dollar store and to inspire you all and to let you all know that you don't have to spend a lot of cash in order to have a beautiful tablescape. Today I'm going to show you how I created this tablescape with just Dollar Tree items. And the only two items, of course, that I have added in was the charger and the garland. Now, most of the items I recently purchased, and some of the items I already had from previous tablescapes. But for the most part, everything has been purchased from the Dollar Tree. So guys, there is two DIYs also included in this video. And if you're interested, you gotta keep watching. Stay tuned. So folks, here I am spray painting this plastic bowl that I purchased from Dollar Tree, of course. And I started out spray painting it from the inside, thinking that it would show on the outside, but unfortunately it did not work that way, not with this particular spray paint. So after spraying it on the inside and allowing it to dry, turned it over, and of course I spray painted the outside. So here folks, I am using a mini pumpkin with a clip, and I'm going to remove the clip, and once the clip has been removed, I am going to put what is called a wood extender. What this will do for me is it will allow me to be able to use this mini pumpkin in the centerpiece. This will allow the pumpkin to be sturdy and stable within the centerpiece. So guys, I wanted to originally use this garland to be used with the centerpiece. However, I felt like the centerpiece was just lost. It did not show how, pretty the centerpiece was, and I just felt like it was really overwhelming the centerpiece, and so I decided not to use it, and I changed the garland. So guys, this was my inspiration for this tablescape. I just love the way this placemat looks. I love the beautiful blues, the purples, and the oranges all together. And that's how I determined how I was going to create the centerpiece. So guys, I just wanted to let you know that I could not find any napkins that I thought would be appropriate enough for this tablescape. And so what I'm using here are actually pillowcases. And what I did was I cut them in half, I pressed them out, and of course the edges were a little frayed. And so what I did was I ironed about an inch crease on the ends, so that it will give it a sharp, neat look. I did not sew them. I did not glue them down. This was just really to show you that this was an innovative way to make napkins out of a pillowcase. And so if I were to use these, I would definitely either sew them in or glue them down permanently so that, it would not come apart. So here what you are seeing is some crafts from the Dollar Tree, of course, and what this is a peel and stick rhinestone with pearls that I have applied to this napkin ring, which was purchased also from the Dollar Tree, and that just made it very simple and elegant. I really like the way that has turned out, and that's what I'm going to be using for the napkins. So guys, I just wanted to say that this blue that we're seeing here is not quite the blue that's in the placemat. However, I wanted to go ahead and use it because it was the closest thing that I could find. And so I'm just going to go ahead and use this. It will eventually become a beautiful tablescape regardless. And also, just to give you an idea, if you wanted to add another napkin to it to give it a fuller look, that would help as well. However, that wouldn't be from the Dollar Tree. Now remember, my goal was to show you how to create an inexpensive tablescape. And I hope that this has helped you on today. Thanks so much for joining me on today. I am so glad to have had you here, and I hope that you have been inspired by this Dollar Tree tablescape. And just so you know, This tablescape was less than $30. Yes, $30. And this is what we can create with non-expensive items. So if you happen to be new and you're visiting my channel on today, welcome. Thank you for stopping in. And if you have not yet subscribed, I just want to let you know that I do upload a video every Tuesday, tablescape with a different theme. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell twice so that you are notified every time I upload a video. And for those of you that visit every week, I want to say thank you once again for visiting this channel. I thank you so much for your support. I don't take it for granted. I'm grateful for God's goodness. I'm grateful for His strength. And I'm grateful for His grace. And I feel like I need to encourage someone. And I don't know why I need to say this, but for those of you that are listening, trust God in the process. Have a great week, everybody. God bless.